In this video, we are going to be learning how to enlarge font on AOL mail application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the AOL mail application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account. Enlarging your font on AOL mail can be done with a simple step. Open the app and log into your account, and once you're inside, open up one of the emails from the email tab. Once you open up the email, tap on the little AA icon at the top right hand corner, from where you can enlarge the text messages that you received within the mail. Soon after you do that, you can be able to see that you have now gradually increased and decreased the size of the text inside the email that you received. This will then enlarge the text size from your AOL mail. But remember that this process does not affect your device's setting or all the apps and system elements on your device. So that is the only way you will be able to enlarge font on AOL mail using this simple trick. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.